Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody asked me a pretty good question. I love it. I don't ever do this because I only type out. I don't use it for like publishing or anything. I just do a laser engraver. But you can underline the text. He was wondering if there was any way you could underline just the words and not the space between the words. And the answer is yes. And you can do more than that. If we go to text and go to text or Control T, it's going to open up a docker called text, where here's your underline flyout, and you could have none. You could have a thin line. You could have a thick line. You could have a double thin line. You could have a double, well, that'd be it. But then you could do single words. Let's go back to just one line. And then let's go right here to single trim thin word. And look at that. It just put it underneath the word. And you could do the double thin word and have two lines. I don't really understand the reason for that. It does look pretty cool, unless he's doing something I can't figure out. But so there is a way to do that. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.